Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there, finished in black. We've then got the sun yellow exterior paintwork, and how fantastic does that look with the contrasting black features around the vehicle. Coming to the front of the car, there's a look at the front view. We'll now make our way around to this corner. You'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel, complemented by the silver calipers just behind, turbo 4MATIC badging just beside it. You've then got your black wing mirrors, chrome door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You may have noticed we've got the panoramic glass sliding roof on top of the vehicle just there too. Coming to the rear, there's a look at your spoiler, and how fantastic does that look. Really adds to that aggressive styling. Taking a step back, you've got the black rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust, one on either side. A35 badging on the right hand side there as well. Worth noting, we've also got a reversing camera as well as front and rear parking sensors, and as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at your last alloy wheel, and let's head on to the interior next. Starting at the rear, we've got the full black leather interior with the contrasting stitching, ISOFIX points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. On the doors you've got plenty more leather, again with that contrasting stitching, brush metal handle and your integrated Burmester sound system. Of course you've also got electric window controls. Heading on to the front, that same full black leather interior, again with the contrasting stitching, and how great do these seats look. Now both front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions as well as being heated. You can see the same on the other side just there too. Also on the doors you'll find your unlock and lock button, brush metal handle, power folding electric wing mirror controls with electric window controls and child lock for the rear. We've got that Burmester sound system there too, which sounds fantastic. Same for up there too. Facelift multifunctional steering wheel with features like cruise control and speed limiter. Auto lights on your right. You've got a digital display ahead that continues on to the centre. And how fantastic does this interior look? Got a touchpad down there, plenty of great features inside like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, the list goes on. Now we are awaiting a full valet on this vehicle, but as soon as it gets one we will be filming a more in-depth video showcasing all of the car's features. Until then, if you would like to learn more about the vehicle, have a look down in the description below where you'll find all of the relevant information. That is all from me for now, so thank you for watching.